The international games have inspired us to make some international recipes with Sanderson Farms chicken. This is an Italian chicken meatball calzone.
Before you put your chicken into the food processor, you're just gonna wanna cut it just a little bit in 1-inch pieces, just so it doesn't get stuck and wrapped around in there. You're just gonna pulse it. Now that you've pulsed the chicken thighs, we're gonna put in the ingredients to make the meatballs. Panko breadcrumbs. Milk. Now we need 1 egg. Mark? Thanks. Parmesan cheese. Some parsley. And a little bit of garlic powder. Kosher salt. Then you want to hand mix this. Go ahead and make our meatballs. Out of a pound of chicken, you're going to get about 16 meatballs. Going to be about ping pong ball size.
All right, go ahead and get a cast iron skillet, put a little oil, and throw it on the grill. Now you're just going to cook these meatballs until they're a little bit brown. You don't want to cook them all the way, because remember, they're going into calzone. Just go ahead and sear. Next thing you're going to do, add some garlic to the oil, some crushed tomatoes, Calabrian chilies, and a little bit of salt. You're going to put the meatballs back in the sauce, move it all around, turn off the heat, and set it aside. And reserve some of your sauce for dipping.
All right, Mark, let's make the calzone. You need some pizza dough.
Make sure you put some flour on your work surface.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut this 1-pound dough ball up into 4 equal pieces. Now what we're gonna do, pull the edges, fold in, and keep doing that. Keep making a little package, although I typically do it upside down like this. Perfectly round.
Good job, Mark.
Take 1 piece, a little bit of flour. First thing I do before I roll it out, press it down with the palm of your hand. If the dough's really elastic, go ahead and work it with your hands a little bit. The heat from your hands is gonna warm it up and relax some of the gluten, so it won't be so elastic. First, 2 tablespoons of ricotta. If you spread it all the way to the edge, it's gonna be really hard to close, so make sure you leave yourself a little bit of a lip there. All right, we're gonna do 3 meatballs. All right, we're gonna top it off with our mozzarella, our basil in here, come over the top, pull up from the bottom, pinch, roll, keep doing that.
Now remember, your meatballs aren't all the way cooked yet, and that's okay. It's going to take about 30 minutes to make your calzone.
Brush with a little olive oil so the cheese will stick on the top. Now we're going to put just a couple holes in each one of these so that the steam can get out.
Now if you're using a pizza stone or a baking sheet, make sure you put a little cornmeal down so it doesn't stick. Finish it with some Parmesan cheese. That's all she wrote. Oh yeah, dip it in the sauce.